you go to, you get best grandma ever.
Best grandma ever. Okay.
Love Elle.
Mommy, happy birthday. We're so blessed to have you as our mom, and we're so grateful that you have reached this milestone. Wish ko tani mga dreams in life matupad mo gid, and kabay pa nga mas malawig pag ang kabuhi mo sa kalibutan, to spend time with us and to daddy and to your grandkids. More birthdays to come. Happy 70th birthday. Love you.
Hi Mami, happy birthday. Stay healthy. Habang wala ka pa po sa akin. More birthdays to come. Love you.
Today is April 15. Mayroon lang akong special na tao na babatiin sa kanyang kaarawan. Happy birthday, Nining Tessie. Patuloy pa si Lord na gagabay sa ating pagtanda. Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday. I love you. Mami Tess, Nining Tessie, I love you so much. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. Happy 17th birthday. Wishing you all the best today and all the years to come. More blessings, happiness, and more wealth to all of us. We love you. Mwah. Mwah.
Yeah, at age 70 you rock. Wishing you the best day ever. And on your 70th birthday, I'll play piano for you. You're gonna love it. And wishing you all your dreams and goals in life will come true on this special day for you. Bye.
Best mom in the world. I know it's only a number. Don't worry, mom. But you're young at heart in our life. So wish you all the best, and we love you very much. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Lola Tess. We love you.
More birthdays to come.
Mag-iingat po kayo palagi.
Happy birthday, Mami Tisay! Good health always!
Happy 70th birthday, me. Hello.
Para sa aking mahal na asawa, happy birthday, 70th birthday today. Sana ay marami pang dating na birthday sa ating buhay. At sana makamit pa natin ang maraming blessing para sa pagtanda natin. Okay lang tayo.
Tayo'y matanda na. Sana'y di tayo magbago.